Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. If you are looking for a powerful, nourishing and all natural hair growth mask that works for all hair types, from curly to straight, thick to fine, then you are in for a treat today. So please stay with me, let's get into action. Okay? So guys, today we are making a DIY hair mask using 4 powerhouse ingredients: sweet potato, okra, raw honey and my special infused hair growth oil. And trust me, once you understand the benefits of each, you will never look at your kitchen the same way again. Okay? So guys, I will explain the benefits of each of these ingredients. Just continue watching to understand the steps and give me your ear. So the first ingredient is potato. As you can see, I've washed it and I'm slicing it. I'm slicing it now so we can go ahead and cook it to make it soft. Okay? So yes, that delicious soft orange goodness isn't just for your plate. Your hair loves it too. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. And vitamin A is known to help promote thicker, healthier strands by nourishing your scalp and supporting sebum production, which is your hair natural oil. It also contains vitamin C, iron, and potassium, all amazing for reducing hair breakage and boosting shine. Think of sweet potato as your natural hair strengthener and softener in one. Okay? So after slicing it into small chops, as you can see, I go ahead and wash it properly. And next step is to go and cook it. We are going to cook it to make it soft. So to cook it, I'll make use of 2 cups of water. You understand? Don't pour too much water. Just take it gradually, okay? So I've gone ahead to place it on my stove to cook. So while the potato is cooking, we are going to head over to the second recipe, which is okra. Okra is my absolute favorite. It is called okra or lady's finger. Okra is rich in mucilage, which gives it that famous slimy feel. But don't let that scare you. This leaf makes detangling a breeze. It coats the hair, reduces friction and leaves you with soft, manageable strands. After washing it, I'll slice it into small pieces. The quantity you need for this is up to you. It depends on the volume of your hair. My daughter's hair is very full, so that is why I'm using this quantity. If your hair is small, just divide this quantity into 2. Okay? So after slicing it, I'll go ahead and pour it inside the potato that is on the fire cooking, as you can see. So I'll just add it a small water. Make sure it's soft before you add the okra. Make sure it's soft. So I'll add the okra now, and this time around I'm going to reduce the heat. Cook it on a low heat, okay, so that you will not kill the benefits from the okra. So I'll just cook it for 10 minutes. Okay? So when you are cooking it, make sure it is still green. As you can see, the okra is still looking greenish. Don't overcook it, so you will not kill the important benefits from the okra. So after cooking, I'll go ahead to blend it with some little quantity of water. I added 1.5 cup of water. Don't over add your water. If you are not sure of the quantity of water to use, you can just add 1 cup, and if you think you need more water, you add it little by little. Okay? So okra is packed with vitamin C, folate and biotin, all known for boosting hair growth and scalp health. It even contains amino acids that help strengthen your hair's keratin structure. Okay, so after blending, the next step will be to sieve. You can make use of anything you have to sieve. The sieving is as important as the mask itself, because if you don't sieve it, you will not like the result on your hair, because all the particles will, jam pack on your hair. So make sure to sieve the mixture. So after sieving it, this is how it looks. Very, 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 very beautiful. This important hair growth mask is okay and so beneficial. If you have not tried this one, I bet you have not tried it before. Just go ahead and try this out. You will not regret it. Just like you eat food, so your hair also enjoy the benefits from food. Okay, so don't shy away from that. It's very, very effective and beneficial. So if you are struggling with dryness, breakage, or a sensitive scalp, then consider making use of okra, just like you see me do. Okay, so the next recipe is honey. Honey is very, very good. It is called a natural liquid gold. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air straight into your hair strands, keeping them hydrated and soft. But it's more than just moisturizer. It's more than just a moisturizer. Honey also has antioxidants, enzymes, and natural antibacterial properties that help soothe the scalp, fight dandruff, and reduce itching. Your hair stays moisturized, shiny, and more elastic, which means less breakage, more length retention. Okay, so I added 1 tablespoon of honey, and the final recipe is my secret weapon, which is my herbal infused hair growth oil. Okay, this can be any oil you have infused with your hair loving herbs like rosemary, fenugreek, cloves, amla, or hibiscus. Why do you need infused oil? Because when you combine nourishing oils like coconut, olive, or castor oil with growth stimulating herbs, you can create a powerful blend that penetrates the scalp, stimulates blood flow, and nourishes your follicles directly. It seals in moisture, strengthens the hair shaft, and encourages steady, healthy growth. Okay, and best of all, you can customize your infused oil blend to target your specific hair needs. So I added 2 tablespoons of my hair growth oil. Just like I explained, you can go ahead and make your own hair growth oil, or if you want me to show you how to do that, comment in the comment section hair growth oil, so that I'm going to prepare a video explaining that in detail, how you go about making your hair growth oil. It is very, very important if you want to achieve growth, okay, and healthy hair. Very, very important, healthy hair. So I'll go ahead and mix it properly before applying it on the hair. Why should you use this mask? I know you are asking yourself this question. I've explained the benefits you can get from this mask, and if you are still confused, please, you need this mask because it's a perfect balance of moisture, strength, and scalp nourishment. In fact, everything your hair needs to grow longer, thicker, and healthier. Plus, it is affordable, natural, and works for all hair types. Both relaxed hair, natural hair, transitioning locks, braids, whatever hair you have, this hair mask is good for you. So that is it. So that is the reason why you need this hair mask. Okay, so my daughter is wearing a cornrow. So before application, I went ahead to wash the hair properly. Make sure you apply this on a clean hair. You can also use it as a pre-poo. You can use it as a pre-poo, but I prefer if you can wash your hair clean before applying this, so that after, when you want to rinse it off, you just make use of a warm water to rinse off, you know, and retain all the important and beautiful, interesting nutrients, benefits from this hair mask. So, you know, if you use it as a pre-poo, you end up using shampoo to wash off. Do you understand? So it's okay, you can use it as a pre-poo after washing with your shampoo. Then you apply it again and maybe stay for like 30 minutes and then rinse off, because we need to get all the benefits from this mask. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So after washing, I'll clean it very well, and then I'll lose the cornrow, the protective hair style. So it's always good to wash on a protective hairstyle. So it's always better to wash on a protective style to minimize hair breakage. Okay, so if you don't want to wash on a protective style, you can always lose your hair, but make sure you put your hair in a loose protective style before washing. That way it will reduce hair tangling and hair breakage. Okay, so after I wash the hair, I'm going to clean it very well, and then I'll lose the cornrow before application. Okay, so I will allow you to enjoy the application process, but the only thing you must understand is that while applying this mask on your hair, make sure to be generous with it. You have to coat the entire hair strands and the scalp properly, and massage it properly as well. Massage it enough. Then after you have done that, then you cover it with your shower cap or whatever you have and leave it for maybe as long as 2 hours or more, you know, so to get all the benefits from the mask. Okay, so if you love this DIY recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your hair loving friends, and subscribe for more simple, effective hair care tips like this. Your crown deserves the best, and we are here to grow it together. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade
like nothing I found. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue